Hi, welcome to the Firamax Message Preview Tool tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can use the features of the Message Preview tool to help plan out your board. All you have to do is register as a user. It's free of charge and you don't even have to own the board to get access to the tool. However, if you haven't bought your board yet, head on over to the Buy Now button and order your board today. If you've already bought your board, congratulations, you have the best board on the market. Now you can use this tool to help plan out how you're going to lay out the message on your board. So let's get started. The first thing I'd like to show you is on the left you can see all of these letters, and these are actually buttons, letters, numbers, symbols, punctuation marks, and you'll notice that there's some numbers next to each letter. Those numbers represent the total number of that particular letter, number, or symbol that you have in your letter pack that came with your board. So you're able to click these and add letters to your board. But before I get to demoing that, let me get to the other features. In this box you can type an entire word and either hit enter or click add word to add a word to your board. The clear button will clear the board, and the delete button will delete whichever item is highlighted on the board. These icons are your alignment tools, and I will be demoing each one of those as we go along. So if you click on one of these letters, say we click on this A, notice that there's 11, you have 11 A's in your pack. So if I click A, it adds it to the board. You can drag around and position it how you want. Notice that it went down to 10. So if I keep clicking this, you can see that it keeps reducing the total number of A's that you have in your pack. Eventually, when you use them all in whatever message you're using, you will see that you're not able to add any more letters. So let's clear the board. Click clear and it erases everything, and you can see that the total number of letters that you have are restored back in your sort of your inventory count here. Now this is helpful if you want to add individual letters and drag them around individually. However, this may be cumbersome if you want to move them together. So what you can do instead is type the letters into the box, and you can either hit enter or click add word. Now you can drag this around and they'll be together. Next, let's add some other demo word here. Next, we can play with these alignment tools. So to get the alignment tools to work, you have to first click on them and highlight them. This aligns it to the left of the board. This button over here aligns them to the right of the board, and this button in the center aligns them to the center of the board. Now there's some other alignment tools here, and you can see that the little red line sort of gives an indicator of where the alignment will take place. So whereas these buttons will align relative to the board, these alignment tools will align relative to another item. So the way it works is you want to click the item first. The first one you click is the leader. The other ones that you click to highlight are the followers. So if this guy is over here, because I clicked this one and made it the leader, the other one will follow depending on how you align it. So if we click this one to align them vertically, you will see that this one followed the leader. Now if we move them across again, make this one the leader, make this one the follower, we can click on this one to align them horizontally. You can see that it followed that one. So there are times where you might want to line up your letters or your items, and maybe you don't want it to be to the center of the board. Perhaps you want it to be off center of the board, but you still want them to be centered to each other, and this is where these come in handy. Next, if you want to delete an item, you can either hit the delete button here, and it has to be highlighted first, or you can highlight it and then hit delete on the keyboard and it will delete it as well. So you can have a lot. Let's do this. So you can see, kind of arrange it a little bit, and what you want to do as a tip, you want the bottoms to align to one of these stripes, because when you put your items on the board, they actually hook into the bottom stripe. So you can have a lot of fun with this, planning out your board. And you also have some other cool items that you can add to the board, such as stars. You can add hearts. You can even add hashtag. Hashtag awesome. And that's pretty much it. Have fun with your board, take a lot of photos, leave some good reviews, and if you have any kind of feedback at all, good or bad, let us know by clicking on the Contact Us link at the bottom of the website. Thank you and have a great time.